I recently traveled around Mexico for 2 months with a carry-on bag and personal item and a backpack. And this is how I do it. I always carry a grocery bag, squish it into my carry-on, and I also put a jacket on the outside pocket so that I can reach it when I'm on the plane because it gets cold on the planes and I don't like it. Also, I like to have a roller bag that is pretty easily recognizable. It's not just your standard black, it's like bright red, hard to miss on the conveyor belt if I have to check it. If I ever check it, I will gate check it. I travel with two pairs of flip-flops because I like an indoor pair of flip-flops and an outdoor pair of flip-flops when it's warm weather. I do use packing cubes. I think they don't save me space, but they keep my clothes organized. I like to put like my personal, like my undies and bras in one of them, and then I put like tops and dresses in another. I also try and keep my color scheme pretty limited. Like most of my stuff is blue or white or black, some variation thereof, so that they're pretty mix and match. And this trip, I was in a pretty, like every place that I went was warmish, either hot, hot or pretty warm. So I was able to I was able to use the same clothes over and over. And I also was staying in places that had washing machines. So I was able to wash my clothes on a regular basis, which allowed me to pack, pretty light. I like to have my caftan with me because that's something that I love to relax in after a day of walking around town. So yeah, I have no problem wearing the same clothes over and over. Some people don't like doing that, but it doesn't bother me at all. So I think I had like one pair of sneakers, two pairs of flip-flops, a few dresses, one sort of not a fancy dress, but a dress that I could wear to go out to dinner if I wanted to. And then a couple of layering jackets that are relatively light. And what else? T-shirts. What is that? Oh, swimming suit. Yeah, swimsuit. And what else? Yeah, shorts, a sun hat, and socks. But I didn't have to bring a lot of socks. So it's easier obviously to pack light when you're in a warm weather place because the clothes are smaller. Yeah. So I just roll my clothes. It tends to keep them smaller in the bag. And then I probably have another bag that is just for dirty clothes in case I don't have a chance to use the washing machine before I go on to my next destination. So I basically just squish everything into these packing cubes and squish it into my suitcase. My suitcase also has like these straps that I can use to squish my packing cubes in even tighter. So I'll squish that in. And I usually wait until a couple hours before I'm about to leave before I really pack because it doesn't take me that long. So squish, squish, everything's ready. And squish, squish. And now I take the straps and I push and squish, push and squish. Push and squish, that is my method. Push and squish. And everything fits, more or less. Yeah, I put everything in there. And I think having a washing machine is super important because then you don't have to worry about wearing dirty clothes. Yeah, so one swimsuit, one hat, two pairs of flip-flops, a pair of sneakers, and clothes that are mix and match in terms of color. And I didn't really carry... Oh, the toiletries go in my backpack. My backpack carries my laptop and any electrical items, my iPad, or all the cords that I need. Yeah, that's it.